trying to think about a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, yeah. Basically, we're gonna read a section of the book. You're gonna write down, make sure you understand it enough to teach us, because we honestly don't know this information. And we're gonna read a section of the book, and then we're gonna teach y'all. So it's like we're gonna be learning from each other. Does that make sense? So so do y'all? But is it like chapter? Okay, so you weren't sure what chapter it was on?
Yes,
is it chapter 2? Oh, y'all found
doing this.
Okay, so chapter 3.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll probably should start at the beginning of chapter 3.
So this is systems of equations, right?
No. You're not sure? Were you learning about angles, more about angles and stuff? Or I remember last time is about angles. Are you doing angles too now? Okay, so I guess we'll start on this page, which is 155.
Yeah, that's why I don't know how to do it, because Mr. Gable, the dude asked me, he don't teach well. Miss Webb, now she teaches real well. So that's probably why they're ahead of us.
Oh, okay, so you're ahead a little bit.
Yeah, because we're when did we start on this?
I know you had the inductive reasoning when we saw you Monday on the sheet. And that was in chapter 2. Okay. Well, I guess we'll go ahead. We'll just read.
Yeah, what are we taking notes out of videos? Or?
You're gonna read all of section 3-2, and let me see how long this is actually.
Right, kind of made you mad a little bit, right? So that's just kind of that's how.
Let me see. I'm just gonna write some of the books in this area.
Well, like you say, basically British Parliament.
Okay, you're gonna read 155 for sure.
They weren't allowed to have a seat. They weren't allowed to have a seat on Parliament, so they had absolutely no one looking out.
Okay, have y'all done proving lines parallel yet?
Yeah, they just treat the colonists like a cow.
Have y'all done proving lines? Okay, y'all are just gonna read basically pages 155 to 158, but you need to make sure you understand it well enough to teach us. And then we're gonna read. You already went over 3-1. Or probably. Okay, well we're gonna. I know your class hasn't, so me and Hannah will read over the intro to 3-1 well enough to teach you guys, even though you'll probably already know it. But so does that make sense? So y'all are gonna go over the 3-2 section, and we're gonna go over the 3-1 section. Okay. I feel like you're probably gonna already know it and should probably go over more. But okay, we'll just try it for the first time and see how it works. And then make sure you take notes on it. Do y'all have a pen or pencil? Do you have a pen?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I probably got one in my jacket.
You got it? Okay. No, you're fine.
Got on the boat and dumped tea into the harbor road and wasted a whole bunch of people. So it's just an act of protest.
Do you have an extra piece?
In response to that, the government.
Or we can just take it. Yeah, we can take a group. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Well, actually, maybe I should find it.
Coercive acts. So now, not only will we
You think you have an extra piece?
tea,
Oh, sorry.
stamps. Buy the grocery store, you can select the day. So man, you're about to have an M&M, you know what I'm saying? And the whole
Okay, and you both have to be reading the section and take notes on it. Because we're going to look at your notes. Oh, yeah, and before you begin your notes, okay, these are some good, just helpful hints of how to take notes. Let me know if you already know this. Oh, wait, I already messed up. Okay. One good way of taking notes is writing the topic up here. Like, say this would be, what is it, angles formed by parallel. So maybe just be like angles. I guess angles, or well, I guess just be angles for this section. Angles and probably 3-2. And then put in, like, you could put the date on top. And you just kind of draw a line down here while you leave space at the bottom. Kind of like this. Okay, on this side, you can put like big ideas throughout the reading. Like, say if it says, for this, like, you might have something that have like, say if they explain how to do how to find a midpoint. You might say like midpoint. Then on this side, draw the formulas. Say how you can come to find the formulas. But midpoint would be your big idea. And then if you have any questions, you can also write it out to the side. You leave the space down here because at the end of all your notes, at the end of like taking all your notes, that space down there is to go over your notes later on and write a summary. Does that make sense? Okay. And that's just a helpful way. You don't have to do this all the time, but it just helps. Like the summary helps you look at your notes over again in the future and to really grasp the information. And this just helps you organize it. I had a class in high school that actually taught us how to do this. It helped with organization because I'm still not good with organizing, but it helped teach us how to do this. Oh yeah, I guess we should say lines and angles, or you could say lines and angles. I didn't think of that.
I just went back, let it sit there.
Oh yeah, because we're doing 3-1. I forgot we're doing a different section than y'all. Okay, well ours will be titled lines and angles because we're doing 3-1. Yours might be titled angles 3-2 or angles parallel. Okay. And I guess now we're going to start reading, so I'm going to try and share it. But now just read, and if you want to just read it out loud together, you can, or read it quietly and take notes on the first page and wait till each other's done, and then turn the page. So if you want to read it quietly, you can, and take your own notes, and then wait till each other's done, and then turn the page. I know this sounds like, it probably sounds like boring or useless, but I think it'll be helpful with just making you learn and see what you're learning from reading. So we're going to take like 10 minutes to do this. I'm going to time us. You think 10 minutes is too long? Should we say like 7 minutes?
Yeah, we can just stop it then.
Sorry about that.
I'm sorry. You can go ahead. I feel like I'm
No, I have this one's a 4 minutes now, just so you know.
And it really almost caused the revolution.
Okay. Who uses this? Card architects?
See, they started trying to press the colonies more so they could stop protesting. Instead, it caused the opposite. It made the colonies more angry. So they were not only were they mad about this,
Okay, so
they were even more angry because they had more. All the colonies were off. They had no representation. So they the revolution started to raise the revolution. You know, think about this one. All these legislations, you hear any politician say anything about raising taxes. They all say we're going to take more of your money. They're not going to say that because nobody's going to vote for it. I mean, honestly, politicians can't do it. If you vote for me, I'm going to double your taxes. I mean, you're going to be like who else is trying to. And that's the thing, you got that power. That's why politicians are kind of, they don't really want to do it. They don't want to raise too much taxes because they know you'll get mad and voting power, you go to lose. You might not vote, but a lot of people don't ever vote. If you start taking some money away, so, the governor of Alabama, for instance, he starts raising taxes on cut grass. You buy gas, they raise the tax on cost of city. You gotta buy, oil filters and things like that. Again, if it's eating away your money, they double that. They tax your insurance. At the end of the year, you gotta report what you have that.
In that OneNote thing, what do you think?
That's what you guys have planned.
I'm
You only
just
get paid 3 minutes a day.
the OneNote activity.
oh, okay.
You're gonna, let's see, right now.
Oh, okay, I see.
I familiarize myself with
Definitions and stuff. No. Oh, okay. I know for me, I start from there and go.
Oh,
It's weird how